So I have a question for you. What is a property? Welcome to Exploration Place. My name is Mr. Josh and I'm an educator here. So a property is when we can describe objects. So are they hard or soft? Or what is their color? How much do they weigh? Are they heavy? Are they light? All of those things. So here on the table, I have some colored blocks, some pebbles, and sand. So out of all three of these things, which ones do you think are the heaviest? Let's find out. So to be able to do that, we're gonna use this handy dandy scale right here to test out our objects. So first, how many handfuls of sand do you think I could fit in this liquid measuring cup? I'm gonna make a mess. All right, 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I'm almost there.
9, 10.
So I fit 10 cups of sand inside this liquid measuring cup. Do you think I could fit as many in this half cup? 1, 2, 3. Not even close. Why? Because the half cup is smaller, right? So now let's use our handy dandy scale. So what do I want to test out first? Let's do the blocks and the sand. So what are the characteristics of the blocks? Let's see, they have different colors. They are solid. They have a firmer surface, to whereas the sand is not as solid. I'm gonna take some blocks and put it in my scale. Let's see how many blocks it's gonna take for the scale to touch the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, it's almost there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we're gonna try 12 blocks. Now, how many scoops of sand do you think I could put in this scale to get to touch the table? 1, oh wow. 2, only 2 scoops of sand. So which one do you think is heavier, the sand or the blocks? That's a good question. You can try this out at home. If you have any other objects, paper clips, cotton balls, feathers, rocks, you can test this theory out to see which objects are heavier and which objects are lighter. Thank you so much for joining us today. Bye.